Usually we have one guest. Today it's even more special because we have like two guests, both brothers. तो बहुत सारा interesting topic apart from hair भी होने वाला है. If you and your brother were a Bollywood duo, कौन से होते हैं? जय वीरू, राम लखन,
अक्षय कुमार और जॉन इब्राहिम.
Desi boys.
Stress, food choices, and then your gut health. Once you come to Dubai, water is hard here, so that could be another added
trigger
reason.
हो जाए.
You know the barbers in India, they tell you अगर आपके बाल झड़ रहे, shave कर लेना बाल, उसके बाद अच्छे आ जाएंगे.
Commonest advice in India.
Yeah.
In fact, इसके तो बाल अच्छे थे पहले.
Derma roller, minoxidil, बाल बढ़ जाएगा. कुछ हुआ नहीं. बाल नहीं है तो शादी नहीं होएगा. Like
You were the first one to enter. दोनों में से डर किसको ज्यादा लग रहा था?
डर के अलावा लग रहा था कि बाल कभी आएंगे. I had my girlfriend during that time. वो बोल रही कि तेरे बाल क्यों जा रहे? I'm like कुछ महीने रुक.
आज और जाके आया हूँ.
So now when she sees, she's happy.
She's not there with me. So.
हम पहले बालों के लिए इतना सोचते नहीं है, but when you lose it and then when you gain them back, you actually start valuing it more. I think.
And it makes you look good. Like if you see your old pictures and now, you'll be like, actually I look good.
So basically, I think so hair makes you more younger. The whole reason we did it is like, अरे भाई ये 25 से लेके 35 तक हमें तो अच्छा दिखना है. After that it goes, it doesn't matter.
You're so frank. Hello, both of you, and a very warm welcome on our channel Beyond the Mirror. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Actually, थोड़ा मुझे मजा भी आ रहा है because we are used to the typical shoot, sitting in the clinic setup.
Right.
I think the cafe vibe here is good, and it's quite refreshing to have this kind of conversation here.
Right.
And especially जो coffee का जो smell आ रहा है, like
Yes.
it's really.
Yeah.
I'm a coffee person.
Yeah.
So,
I think all of us are.
Yeah.
So it's great to be actually in a cafe and
Yes.
have a nice
Likewise.
chat. And I think the best part is usually we have one guest
Okay.
with whom we are interacting. Today it's even more special because we have like two guests,
Right.
both brothers. So बहुत सारा interesting topic
Yes.
apart from hair भी होने वाला
That's
है. So really looking forward to this conversation.
Same here.
So tell us firstly what made you like move to Dubai, and of course we'll be talking about the hair journey and all of that. But first, want to speak a little on your personal and professional journeys. So दोनों में से who was the one who initiated that let's move to Dubai?
So ideally, I was the one who moved to Dubai initially. So starting में क्या हुआ था, like after graduation, I was looking for a job and all, and my cousins and all they stay here. So मेरा cousin ने call करके बोला like VAT has been introduced in UAE, so why don't you come and try over here? So that's what I came in during 2018, and yeah, I got a job in a bank. So I worked in Citibank, and after 6 months, I got my brother here.
Okay.
Gleeshan, yeah.
Okay, so you were the one who moved in and then
Yeah.
Yes.
he's
yes.
come up. Okay,
Yeah.
so
मेरा तो like it's a very interesting story. After my engineering, once you complete your engineering, you realize कि भाई jobs नहीं है आप लोग के लिए यहाँ पर. So I worked very hard. तो तभी initially jobs नहीं लगे, and then luckily I realized you got to talk very well during interviews. Once that happened, I was landing interviews in Mumbai, and then I had a job in Vasai. So I worked there for a year, and then ये Dubai आ गया. He searched for jobs there, and then he got a job, and then he's like, तू क्या कर रहा है? आना दुबई ट्राई कर. As like मैं खुश हूँ इधर, everything is fine, but then as I finished 1 year, तो थोड़ा toxic हो जाता है environment, and he's like, you try in Dubai. Then फिर I planned that if I come here in Dubai, I need to get a job in 1 month.
yes.
So I came here, spoke to all of my contacts, visited all the companies, and then by God's grace, 1 महीने में लग गया job. So yeah, that's how it started. And initially I was working, I was selling Google, Microsoft, those kind of IT products, and that was the journey how we came to Dubai.
Correct.
Yeah, and I think so Dubai is more attractive. कोई भी छुट्टी पे आता है and they get very attractive and they are like, let's move in.
Yes.
So
And I think it's a great place for work opportunity as well.
100%.
And I
yes.
think great lifestyle is what
Yeah.
everybody
Yes.
has to say about
Yeah.
Dubai.
I mean, we are from Bombay, so we know the lifestyle, like traveling from trains and all. It's very difficult to
All the
commute.
struggles we've seen in Mumbai, that's true.
100%.
But all
yes.
due respect, जो भी लोग travel करते it's not easy. Like whenever I tried travel to Mumbai also, I respect each and everyone क्योंकि it's a tough life for everyone. So just grateful.
Yeah, I think we realize that more now here because here you get so much of luxury and convenience.
Yeah.
So you realize more how the struggles are in Mumbai. But
True.
hats off to everybody there,
Yes.
the way
Yeah.
they cope up with things.
Yeah.
I think once you live in Mumbai, you can live anywhere
Yes, true. That's
I know.
true. That yeah.
because you've
Yeah.
seen like everything in Mumbai.
Yes.
So
And the best part about Mumbai is लोग बहुत helpful है उधर. You know, you
Yeah.
face any problem, they'll come. रिक्शा वाले रहेंगे, so you know that's fun.
you're a lot into fitness as well. I
Yeah.
think both of y'all are,
Yes.
but you are
Yes.
a lot. So tell us, how do you have you changed your lifestyle after coming to Dubai, or you were always into fitness even when you were in Mumbai?
So I personally, like, we were into football, like right from my college days. I used to play for a national team and stuff. We used to go to Pune, play tournaments, and then training was always there. Our friends circle like, okay, gym jana hai, workout karna hai. So when we came here, the diet changed. There we were like, okay, chapati khana hai, whatever mom cooks. But then when you came here, you're with your friend. So we were with one of our friend, and he was a trainer, and so he taught us, this is the diet you follow, this is how you can get better in shape. That really helped us and then further motivated us. But fitness was always there dimag mein. I like to work out, I like to go to the gym, and then we used to work out together also.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's fun, and it's a stress buster.
Of course,
After
it is.
a long
Yeah.
stressful day, you get a good workout
Yeah.
in. So yeah.
Let me ask you this: what is the advantage of two brothers being in one city, and also tell me what is the annoying part of being in the same city?
एडवांटेज है, यू ऑलवेज हैव लाइक कॉल करो, ये गाड़ी ठोक दिया है, देख क्या करना है अभी, नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, सो दैट्स ऑलवेज देयर. एंड देन इट्स यू प्लान थिंग्स टुगेदर.
Of course.
सो अनोइंग पार्ट तो ऐसे कुछ है नहीं, लाइक
इनको कुछ बोलना है शायद, है
नहीं,
कुछ
नहीं, नहीं,
annoying
और-
part नहीं है.
फिर बाद में जाके मारेगा.
नहीं ऐसे.
You all have a great bonding.
Yeah.
तो पहले लाइक व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन व्हेन वी वर स्मॉल, तो हम लोग ऐसे फीफा खेलते थे साथ में. सो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू लूज एंड ही यूज्ड टू विन, एंड देन वो हंसता था, तो हम लोग झगड़ा करते थे बहुत. सो अभी क्या होता है, वी सो दैट बॉन्डिंग इज स्टिल देयर, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट आई डोंट प्ले विद हिम नाउ, क्योंकि वो अभी भी हराता है एंड आई डोंट लाइक टू लूज.
And who was the naughty amongst the two since childhood? Yeah. Is
Yeah.
it? But he looks like more
More mature.
Huh.
Mature,
And I
right?
always thought it could have been you in the answer, but it's him.
It's the same. मतलब
I mean,
maturity
yeah.
दोनों में है, but he is like more of a outgoing party ऐसा. So
I always thought it
it's
was
not
the other
like-
way around,
No,
whenever
no,
I've met
no.
you all.
It's all about socializing.
Now coming on the hair part, because I think every young viewer who's looking at you जो struggle कर रहे हैं with hair loss, पहला तो एक question होता है, why me? At such a young age. Some people it's genetic, some people it could be stress, some people also blame the water and environment in the place they are living.
yeah.
When did you two, start facing the hair loss? Was it during a similar period? Was it genetics in your family, since both the brothers at a young age did face the hair issues?
So for me, like I always had a big forehead. So college time में you realize hair thinning हो रहा है, and then stuff. I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? And then I was like, ठीक है, बाल वाल गया तो गया. I want to shave it off. So that's what I used to do in college. And the barbers in India, they tell you, अगर आपके बाल झड़ रहे, shave कर लेना बाल, उसके बाद अच्छे आ जाएंगे.
Commonest advice in India.
Yeah.
Yes. And then, definitely, as you mentioned, stress, food choices, and then your gut health. So, uske wajah se, that's how hair loss started. And then once you come to Dubai, water is hard here. So that could be another
और
added
trigger
reason.
हो जाता है
Yeah,
उससे.
Yes. In fact, इसके तो बाल अच्छे थे पहले.
Yeah, I had a good hair back in Bombay. So, like after 3 years, I think so down the line water is hard though, and definitely lifestyle तो हो ही जाता है. Like we are away from family, so food का it changes, all the factor triggered, and I think so he had the hair loss issue before, so he used to use minoxidil. Okay, so then seeing to him, I was using myself. So I think so the thing is there, right? With minoxidil, if you use it and you stop using it, so whatever you have, the hair, it goes off.
वो और loss हो
हाँ,
जाता है.
और loss
Yes,
होता है.
yes.
So that's what we were planning. Like we were checking for clinics. Like usually he used to check, and yes, he's having YouTube channel. तो वो करते रहता है videos. Derma roller, minoxidil, बाल बढ़ जाएगा.
Yeah.
तो कुछ हुआ नहीं.
I happened to see your YouTube channel one of the reasons मैं वो topic भी अभी निकालने वाली थी. You've
Yeah.
put a lot of good awareness videos on skin, hair, fitness, all of that. What motivated you to actually do that on YouTube channel?
So initially I was like, I like to talk. मेरे को ऐसा बात करने को अच्छा लगता है लोगों से. So one fine day is like, video shoot करते. So I had a lot of videos on fitness.
Yes.
Then I tried some vlogs. उसमें इतना views नहीं आ रहे. And then one fine day जब मैंने बाल shave किया था, I made a video on that. तो उसमें 500 plus K views आ गए. So then I realized actually hair loss is a very big problem. And then I started to
It's
talk.
a very sensitive topic.
Yes.
Hair.
And everyone is commenting, भैया बाल कैसे बचाए, अभी हम तो 18 है, हमारे बाल जा रहे हैं, what should we do? So even I was researching. So I used to try products, one or the other product like Derma roller, and then I used to give feedbacks. You use it like this, you wash it like this once a week, ये वो, and then you see results, but it is specific person to person. I would not say you use the Derma roller, आपके बाल आ ही जाएंगे.
Correct.
So then I tried everything, PRPs. Then slowly I realized if the roots are not there, you do anything you want, it is not going to help. अगर आपके roots जा चुके हैं वहाँ से, so
हाँ मतलब वो स्टेज अगर प्रोग्रेस हो गया है तो then it doesn't reverse back.
you do whatever you
Yeah.
want. Minoxidil use कीजिए, it's not going to
So
help.
whatever you experience, basically you're putting it on the channel just for the viewers to know that this is
Yes.
what you have tried and this is what is your.
The prevention and all, where the other, audience can take it. So that's what.
Yeah. So I found that कि लोगों को help भी हो रहा है. कोई लोग बोलते भी थे कि हाँ हमारे बाल आ गए वापस, it really helped. So it's people person
Those
specific.
educational videos were
Yes. Yeah.
helping some
Yes.
of them
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
And hair is in general a very sensitive topic and a very personal topic.
Yes.
For sure. Yeah.
मतलब because men and women both, I think, and पहले ऐसा था कि at a certain age, like a decade ago, if you ask in our clinic, we would have more patients coming in the 40s, 50s age group.
Okay.
But if you see the difference now in last 3 years, we have people literally as early as 19 years old, 20 years old, 25 years old,
Yes.
early 30s are also facing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think this is the period where you want to look your best, feel your best.
Sure.
I think professionally and personally both. So people do give importance to skin, hair, fitness, everything as a
Yeah,
whole.
Yeah.
And hair, like always,
Yeah.
I think for men, it's like the
Yeah,
most important.
It's like a gold for us. I mean,
Yeah. And
बाल
मुझे तो
नहीं है तो शादी नहीं होएगा. Like,
एंड मुझे तो कमेंट्स भी आते मतलब भाई हम तो 19 इयर्स के ही हैं, अब तो लड़की भी नहीं पटेगी. You get those comments from college students.
हाँ.
So yeah, I feel hair is, and it makes you look good. Like if you see your old pictures and now you'll be like, actually I look good.
Yeah.
And
so basically, I think so hair makes you more younger. I mean, the hair loss happens and that makes you more, look aged. So
yes,
yeah.
yes. You feel that youthfulness back. Of course, you're already young, but the hair gives you that little white
hair
again.
definitely gives you an extra edge, but if you get it back, definitely you're very happy. And then
So you mentioned you all were into the researching and you were researching a lot. So tell me, where were you researching? Was it only Dubai? Was it also India? Was it neighboring countries also? How was your research?
So what had happened, I used to, since I used to go to a gym, I saw one of my friends, not a friend, just a person working out. And then I happened to ask him, आपने hair transplant किया? बोला हाँ, because he had some scars. So I just asked him, तो बोला हाँ मैंने Azure Clinic से किया. So that's how it started, and it was there in the mind. So it was through reference, through one of a contact. I don't know him personally, but he mentioned that.
You saw him
and
in
then
the
we were
gym.
researching, and then we happened to come here,
Yeah.
and you did a very good explanation.
Yeah,
on,
we happened to meet. So
Yes,
that's
yeah,
again
yeah, we
special
both
about
had
this
come,
conversation.
yes,
कि
yes.
उस दिन भी हम तीन ही बैठे
Yes,
थे.
yes, yeah.
And we were talking about hair
Yeah.
and today
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
after
And you
doing
did
it.
mention, we use very thin.
The micro
The
punches.
micro,
Yeah.
punches and stuff. So
Correct.
compared to what other people do, they are so thin that you will not even see if a hair is planted on your scalp.
Right, right.
So that was the
So-
USP.
So we
of
were
it.
doing research in India also. India, there are many clinics over here, and yes, Turkey, so it's
Yeah.
known for that. So yes, since he was doing more research into it, and definitely there are other clinics who does in a other rate. I mean,
Yeah,
rates
yeah.
differ hai,
Of course, of
right?
course.
So we were looking for like, अरे ये तो हम like it's our hair. So we need to go at a good clinic. So we don't want to do like एक बार you do a surgery, right? It's like it should be good.
Yeah, it can't go wrong.
Yes, exactly.
Of course.
So that's what we researched, and we had a good review on Azure,
Yeah.
and that's what we came and I mean you had given a good explanation. So yeah.
Yeah, it was a good, I think a good 1 or 2 hours of discussion.
Yes.
Yes.
And it is interesting कि इतना research करके आए थे, तो you had the right set of questions to ask.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is also important. Some patients come, but they have no background
don't
knowledge
know.
about anything.
Yeah.
But since you had good knowledge, I think the interesting conversation was that you get more clarity on the subject.
True.
What were those factors which didn't, kind of motivate you or give you the confidence? And what were those factors probably here that you saw, which kind of made you take that
Take
decision?
that. So there was only one thing which you had mentioned. We are not going to go with 4,000 grafts because we know that over the period of years, your existing hair is going to fall off.
Correct.
But we are going to go with 8,000 grafts. We'll do more grafts taki it will be a dense look, and even if your existing hair falls off, these are going to be there to
Yeah, it will support.
Yes,
It will be like
yes.
a support.
So which others दूसरे लोग बोल रहे थे मेरे को 4,000 grafts 5,000 grafts and 2 दिन में करेंगे. I spoke to a lot of clinics in India also. वो लोग ने बोला 4,000 grafts में we'll do it
Yeah.
and stuff. So
I think the density factor
yes,
Yeah.
नहीं आता है when you do
Right.
fewer
Right.
grafts.
I mean 4,000 में उन लोग इतना ग्राफ दिखा रहे थे कि हम लोग को लग रहा था फेक है. Like you can recognize, right? I mean,
And
पूरा
to
सर
be-
तो नहीं भर सकता
Right.
4,000.
to be very transparent and talking like a friend, when people reach out to me, they are like हम कर देंगे, फ्री में कर देंगे, आप टेंशन मत लो. You come, you do the transplant, you shoot a video and stuff.
अच्छा.
We are
You promote us kind
Yes.
of a thing.
so, but I was like नहीं, मेरे को ये सब नहीं करना है. Even before I had a lot of brands, वो लोग देते हैं products, but since this topic is so sensitive, मेरे को किसी को fake नहीं करना है, because they are going to invest their hard earned money, and I don't want that अरे हाँ इसने बोला और हमने वो
हाँ.
product लिया and now it is not helping out.
And then you all travel to India, I think, after a few months. I think it was somebody's
yes.
wedding in a family.
Sister's
and that's
wedding.
Yes.
your sister's
Yeah,
wedding.
sister's
wedding, yeah.
So
That's
that's
how
what
we'll get.
I did. I mean, first.
Yeah.
I think so 20 or 21st, and
Yeah.
it was.
It was in
pretty good.
December 2023.
December, yeah.
मुझे
Yes.
उतना याद है,
Yeah,
exact date
yeah.
याद नहीं है.
As soon as I landed, I'm like, I'll go to Azure Clinic because that was a day that was booked, and it was good. I mean, they had welcomed me and all, so it was really good. And I think so. It was 6 days or 7 days. It was this, and yeah,
procedure.
it was really good. I mean, doctor was really good. Her name is I think so Miana.
Dr. Maina.
Maina,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, she did it.
Yeah, I mean, she had done really good work.
Yeah,
and
yeah. So how was your experience in terms of like your day one?
yeah.
हम तो बोलते हैं अरे हाँ I'll tolerate the pain ये वो, but थोड़ा सा तो nervousness and I'm sure थोड़ा anxiety तो people do have. How was it psychologically on your day one?
See,
इनको तो
definitely.
time था, he was going to do it after
yeah,
few
yeah,
days, but you were the
right.
first one
Yes,
to enter.
yes. इसने मेरे को बोला पहले तू करके आ. So the day one was definitely needle. तो डर लगता है, इधर needle घुसाता है तो डर लगता है.
और वो सर पे घुसाएगा.
Sir पे, and I was like bit scared, and like making yourself bald, and
Yes.
taking out the hair from here, and but to be honest, me and our ma'am had done a great work,
Yeah.
and I really didn't like felt कि मतलब मैं pain में हूँ.
हाँ.
The second or third day it happened because definitely the grafts have been again penetrated from the same side.
Correct.
Yeah, but I think so overall the experience was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on a pain scale, because that's the commonest question everybody asks us, कितना दुखेगा? So you can be honest, but 0 to 10 में कोई बोल रहा है 2, कोई बोलता है 4. What was your pain? Even if you have a good threshold, still pain तो
Right.
था ना थोड़ा सा. So 0 to 10 में how
Pain
much?
तो है.
हाँ.
A year is not much, but year is like
Front you felt.
Yeah, he had that.
सब कुछ याद आ जाएगा यहाँ पे मतलब.
Front is sensitive.
yeah,
yes,
sensitive.
yes.
So this was a painful.
But did it last too much or only during those? few
No,
hours?
only during those days. I think so 6 or 7 days ka the
Discomfort was there.
Yeah, I think so around more 10 days ka it was there.
Heaviness
yeah,
थोड़ी सी आ
heaviness.
गई. हाँ.
I think so pretty it was fine. I mean medication was given.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think so it was not that much.
Right.
So
right.
yeah.
And how was it with you?
So initially when she pricked, 2-3 pins, it will pain, and then later the anesthesia starts releasing its effect. So that time it stops.
Correct.
So pain was okay, and for me it did not. I was she was like, you need to constantly press it so that the
Yeah, the anesthesia
anesthesia
doesn't come
does
down.
not come
Yeah.
down. With him it had come down.
हाँ, वो gravity से
to
नीचे
his
आया था.
eyes, yeah. But I was like constantly pressing it, तो इतना नहीं आया. and yeah, she did a very good job. That's what everyone tell me now. You know, yesterday when I had met one of my friend, बोला तेरा तो लगता ही नहीं है, you know,
Yeah.
hair
natural लग रहा
transplant
है.
किया है.
Yeah.
Like it's a very dense look that they
Yes,
have given.
yes.
So I think yeah, she did a good
हाँ,
job.
so I
Dr.
think
Harshi.
थोड़ा बहुत pain, but it was worth it.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, if you look more younger, why not?
Yes, yes. It's a investment you're doing on
Yes.
yourself.
Correct. Yes.
दोनों में से डर किसको ज्यादा लग रहा था? The
मुझे
fear
तो-
for the procedure.
The thing was like डर के अलावा लग रहा था कि बाल कभी आएंगे.
That is the thing.
So,
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Actually,
the.
yeah.
Because once
So-
you got into the procedure, फिर you're a little
अब तो बच नहीं
impatient
सकते.
Yeah.
कि अब तो बाल जल्दी
चल
आए.
अभी वो भी खत्म करना है
हाँ.
and like we were like कभी उगेगा. I mean, when will I see the full dense hair?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Correct.
That needs a little patience
Yeah,
also, because
true.
this is a very slow
Yeah,
process of
process.
actually seeing the
Yeah.
final outcome.
Yes.
So when did you start seeing those initial, baby hair, and what was the emotion in your head that time?
I think so. It was 1.5 month. 1 month में, I mean, it started. to
हाँ,
look.
छोटा छोटा बाल.
Yes. And I was feeling like, because I think so, as you guys had mentioned, I think so, 1 या 2 महीने में the hair will fall off.
Shedding.
Shred and it will come off again.
Correct, correct.
So I thought like, आ रहा है पर जा रहा है. Yeah. So, but that was pretty well, I knew it. Then I think so within 3 months, the growth was good. Yeah. I had done PRP from here. And yeah, I think so it was pretty good. The growth after 4 months, 5 months, I got a good growth.
दुबई के पानी में भी है बाल टिके.
टिक रहा है.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I use mineral water now. Yeah.
Now you're taking extra care
Care,
of
yeah.
those new hair that have come. Actually, हम पहले बालों के लिए इतना सोचते नहीं
नहीं.
है. But
Yes,
when you
but-
lose it,
You actually find.
and then when you gain them back, you actually start valuing it more. I
Value.
think.
yeah.
Which is with most of the patients. They are
True,
like,
true.
जब lose होने चालू हुआ तब realize हुआ कि it
Yeah,
was so
yeah.
important.
True.
And I think that's with all of us,
Yes,
for
yeah.
men
Yes.
or women.
Yeah.
When did you start seeing? Was your growth also as fast as his, or was in your case a little slow?
No, मेरा 3-4 months में I saw, छोटे छोटे बाल आ रहे हैं. And then when we used to go to office and also my colleague, she used to mention,
हाँ.
अब तेरे बाल आ रहे हैं.
हाँ, दिख रहा है. I think बाहर से feedback ज़्यादा मिलता है.
Yeah.
Yes.
People are observing कि
Yeah.
ये थोड़ा हो गया
And
ज़्यादा.
so I used to work in this company, so मैंने hair transplant करा. So मेरा manager एक था, he was from Kerala. So since we are in sales, numbers चाहिए, तो वो बोल रहे तेरे बाल तो आगे, numbers कब आएंगे करेंगे. So we used to have this fun conversation.
Yeah.
But I see,
Yeah.
अच्छा, I get good feedbacks from
Yeah,
people.
yeah. From the personal as well as professional point of view, talking about professional first, how much do you think hair literally impacts?
If you have little hair, बाल जा चुके हैं, either you shave it off so that you look very presentable.
Yes.
Now, since we are into IT, we meet people, your presentation really matters. When you talk, your first impression matters.
Yes.
So, when you have good hair, you wear a good suit, you talk to people, you definitely add more value, you're more trustworthy. So that really adds.
Yes.
That's what I feel.
And what about in your field also, I think, because you
Yes,
have so much
mine
client
is-
interaction.
Exactly. It's more important in my field because mine is face to face to meet towards a client, right? And I think so. If you have hair, that gives you a confidence.
Yes.
So that's what I mean. That is one of the reason we had come to do this. And yeah, I mean there are many people in my industry who does ask
Yeah.
like कहाँ से किया आपका लग रहा नहीं, because many people do, like those who are into wealth and definitely they are like जिन लोगों का बाल जा रहा है, they have done from Prada clinic, यहाँ से किया है, the results are not good, so they do come and ask me, भाई तूने कहाँ से किया, क्योंकि the dents and all everything is good, the hairline. So I think so it's more about, it gives confidence and you look more, I mean more confidence in terms of speaking towards a client. Yeah.
Personal life पे how much? Of course, पहले तो it's for yourself. आप किसी और के लिए नहीं कर रहे हो. You're doing it for yourself. पहले तो खुद को अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
But maybe with your partners or your friends or your girlfriends or your wife, whatever. Do you feel कि वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा chemistry change होता है after the hair
Yeah,
transplant?
for sure, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah.
नहीं तो बहुत ही yes बोल रहा है. ये
Yeah.
थोड़ा सोच के बोल रहा है.
I had my girlfriend during that time. Jabhi, I had done transplant and before that also she knew me. But वो बोल रही कि तेरा बाल क्यों जा रहे? I'm like कुछ महीने रुक.
Assured जाके आया हूँ अभी.
Assured आएंगे बाहर.
Yeah.
So now when she
So-
sees, she's happy.
She's not there with me, so.
Oh. Never mind,
Yeah.
something
yeah.
much better to look
Yeah,
forward to,
true.
of course. What is that message you would want to, give to the viewers, especially who are young like you all? बहुत जन hesitate करते हैं कि, let's wait few more years, let's wait 5 more years, let's delay it, let's do it later. What is your take on that?
Especially for people who are working, like 27, 28, 29, 30. Like if you must have tried, सब कुछ ट्राई किया, बाल नहीं आ रहे, और यहाँ के बाल अगर अच्छे रहेंगे ना, so do a transplant.
How, why delay?
Yeah.
Yes, if you have, you can definitely add better
Yes.
on this, but if you have a good,
Good
donor,
donor.
area and आगे के बाल का मतलब जा चुके हैं, then these hair can help.
I think a lot of people also invest too much time and money on lot of therapies because अभी
Therapies, yeah.
Instagram पे भी इतनी चीजें वायरल हो जाती है.
Yeah.
There are a lot of things. India में तो oil is one tradition only. ये spray लगा लो. वो करो.
Yeah.
I think people invest too much time and money and efforts in that.
Yeah.
और उसमें results
True.
नहीं आते तो in general disappoint हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
Correct.
तो फिर hair transplant भी avoid करते हैं. But I
Yes.
think like you rightly said, if donor is good, if it's bothering you and you are in that age from your career or matrimonial point of view or whatever,
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
why not fix it?
Yes.
What,
Correct. If-
what is your take on that?
So actually, like the whole reason we did it is like, अरे भाई ये 25 से लेके 35 तक हमें तो अच्छा दिखना है.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the whole reason is like, why to miss this the age? अगर बाल जा रहे तो बाल like we'll do a transplant. After that it goes, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
frank and bindas
Yeah.
about it. But
So,
it's true, na?
yes,
25
yeah.
to 35 का age में
Yeah.
you want to look your best.
Yeah.
And undoubtedly everybody wants to. जो
True,
deny
yeah.
भी करते हैं, somewhere back of mind
Yeah.
करना तो होता ही है.
हाँ. So
And why not?
who would be like, नहीं आज तो मैं ऐसे गंदे जाऊंगा,
हाँ.
मतलब like everyone wants to.
Yes.
Yeah.
हर चीज में we are investing.
True.
तो ये तो part of the body है.
Yes.
तो और ये तो first thing है, like you said, the
Yes.
first impression,
First
like you
impression,
mentioned.
Yes.
And if it's fixable, तो yes, definitely we
Yeah.
should.
And it definitely helps. If you have a good vibe, you're presentable,
Yes.
you're an approachable person, you talk well with your clients, you're going to close deals, everything good is going to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you
Energy.
become a happy person
Yes,
altogether.
energy है
It's
वो.
true.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
I mean, that's a happy hormone where you can see yourself,
Yeah.
and it gives you more advantage to go and talk confidently.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Tell me 3 things which is a must that people should look for when they do a transplant. मतलब ये नॉन नेगोशिएबल, ये चीज तो उन्हें देखनी ही है. Whichever clinic they do, which helped you, because आपने तो करा लिया, so you've done the procedure, so you know कि ऐसा गलत हो सकता था पर ऐसा हुआ नहीं. What are those 3 important factors?
So I have given one advice to my friend as well.
Yeah.
I mean, he works with me. So like seeing to his, I mean, whatever I have told him कि उनका donor अच्छा है.
हाँ,
So and looking at his the crown area and the
headline.
the hairline, I told him कि what I have faced it. It's the same thing where you have to go. 8,000 graph आपको किधर भी जाएगा 4,000 5,000 बोलेंगे, that's not more than enough. It should be 8,000 graph. Your donor should be good, and definitely the procedure should prolong for long. Like the quality work comes where
हाँ.
it goes for like 7 days या 8 days में काम जब भी होता है, that's more precision and quality wise. So this is, I think so, it's most important where everyone has to see this.
2 दिन में, like even 1 day में, how can you do it? Even the patient is like, भाई मेरे को छोड़ दे भाई, अभी मेरे को घर जाना है. The pain is a lot. So you definitely need 5 days. मेरा 5 days था. So 5 days में you do daily, I guess 1,000 1,000 grafts approximate.
So, yeah.
तो वो
Lesser
था.
grafts, slow and steady,
Yes.
over 5-6 days.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before we close this, we're going to do a quick rapid fire round.
Sure.
And I think सब patients के साथ करते हैं, but आप लोग के साथ मुझे लग रहा है और
अच्छा,
मजा आएगा. The
yeah.
way the conversation has so far gone. So one by one, we'll do rapid fire with both. Simple questions
Yeah.
जो भी mind में आए.
Yeah.
So किससे start करें? We start with you first. Okay. So tell me, what's tougher, growing your YouTube channel or growing your client base?
So I feel YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. If you could collaborate with any big YouTuber in the world, who would it be?
Cristiano.
Okay. Okay. Funniest comment you've ever received on your YouTube video?
भैया मेरे बाल के साथ गर्लफ्रेंड भी चली गई घर
अच्छा.
में. That was the one.
Okay. One gadget you can't live without.
For now, definitely phone.
Who gives better advice, mom or Google?
बहुत सोच रहा है.
Google देता है मतलब.
Google देता है. And what's your guilty pleasure snack?
Chips.
Chips.
या banana chips.
Gym or paddle tennis? What do you like?
Gym.
Gym. One supplement or health hack you actually live by?
Yeah, chicken breast, whey protein.
Regularly.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Stronger flex, six pack abs, or a great hairline?
Headline.
Hairline.
आप थोड़ी दिखाते रहूँगे भाई, बाल पहले देखेंगे.
बाल पहले देखेंगे.
Yes.
Actually, that's true. Best hangout spot in Dubai.
Al Seef.
Okay. One thing in Dubai that still surprises you.
The roads,
If you had to describe Dubai nightlife in one word, what would it be?
vibrant.
One hairstyle you're dying to try, like your next hairstyle, जो आपको करना है.
And for me, like,
You're happy with this?
he always tells me कि तेरा curly है बाल, उसको straight, because my backside hair is curly and थोड़ा dense. So it's like इसको straight करा ले shape में. बोला भाई जो है सही है करके.
You're happy with what you have.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the best compliment you've received so far for your hair?
कि अच्छा दिख रहा है, छावा दिख रहा है करके.
छावा दिख रहा है. Okay. वो थोड़ा बाद में बोला. Okay. Whose hair do you admire more, Ranveer Singh or Shah Rukh Khan?
रणवीर सिंह.
रणवीर सिंह ना
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत पसंद
Yeah.
है. If your hair had a Bollywood theme song, what would it be? गा के बताना पड़ेगा.
प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे.
Okay, बाल
अपनी
this is a theme song.
अपनी भी नैया को पार तू लगा.
This is a good one.
Yeah.
सही है. Who's more likely to borrow the other brother's thing without asking? It's you or
Both.
him?
Both.
दोनों.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the funniest
But
fight?
mostly me.
You
I borrow more. Yeah.
अच्छा. What's the funniest fight both of you brothers have had?
Like especially वो तो ऐसे फुटबॉल गेम्स के टाइम पे
हाँ,
होता है
होती
फाइट.
है.
You know जब ये मतलब ग्राउंड पे.
अच्छा.
So it turns out into more aggressive.
Aggressive
games.
fight.
Yeah.
Okay. If you had to describe your brother's personality in one word, what would you say for him? Honesty बताना, ऐसे नहीं कि बाद में डांटेगा.
He is a very helpful, kind person. कुछ भी रहेगा, he'll go out of the way without thinking कि I have any intentions in this. So he is like that कि मैं, I'll help. For me, helping वैसा उसका ये.
ये कैमरा इसलिए तारीफ हो रही है या सच में?
नहीं ऐसे ही
सच में
है.
है.
Yes.
नहीं genuine लग रहा है.
Yes, yeah.
Yes. If you and your brother were a Bollywood duo, कौन से होते हैं? जय वीरू, राम लखन, क्या है आप लोग का
वो
वाइब?
कौन सा मूवी यार वो अक्षय कुमार और
John Abraham.
Abraham.
That Desi Boys.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the vibe your book
Yeah.
had. Okay. And if you had to swipe lives for a week, who would struggle more?
उसकी बढ़ जाएगी.
इसकी बढ़ जाएगी. Guy swapping your life. He's answering for you. Super fun actually
Yeah.
this was. But you're not spared.
Yeah,
We are
yeah,
doing
yeah.
it with you as well.
बस गाना बता दो यार.
सारा सोच के रखो. All right. So what's harder, making money or saving money?
Making money.
Making money.
That's all time.
हाँ, saving हो जाता है.
Saving तो होता है
हो
ना.
जाता है.
Definitely.
Okay. Stocks, real estate or gold? What's your personal favorite?
I think so. Gold, because it will go more up. Because
So-
all banks are buying gold reserves, so I think so. Gold will go up.
दुबई में तो मेरे जितने फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स आते हैं गोल्ड उठा के जाते हैं.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Always buying gold. from
Because
them.
gold has a value.
Yes,
so
that's
yeah.
true. If you could manage wealth of any celebrity, who would it be?
I think so. अमिताभ बच्चन.
हाँ, okay.
क्योंकि वो बोलता है ना कभी भी इसमें.
हाँ. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में?
100 करोड़.
हाँ, yeah.
Actually,
That's a
yeah.
good answer.
Coffee, chai or protein shake? What is your morning kickstart?
Coffee.
Who spends more money, like more impulsively? Is it you or is it him? हाँ, दोनों इधर ही इशारा हो रहा है. Okay. One app on your phone that you just can't live without.
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I think WhatsApp से भी ज़्यादा people are
Yes,
on
yes,
Instagram.
yes.
If your friends had to roast you, what is that one line they will roast you with? क्या कैसे roast करेंगे आपको?
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं बट बोलते हैं मोटा हूँ मैं.
मोटा.
So, उसमें मैं बहुत गुस्सा हो जाता हूँ.
And what is your favorite sports?
Football.
Football.
Yeah.
All right. Your favorite workout at the gym?
I think so. Legs.
Legs.
Yes.
Cheat meal?
Cheat meal. Oh, rasmalai.
How do you look at his face? मुझे भी tempt हो गया. मेरा भी favorite है. Rasmalai. The
Yeah.
way he said it. Okay. Best part about living in Dubai?
I think so. Great lifestyle. Commute is good. There are a lot of things.
Yeah.
Safety is a.
Safety is always
Yeah.
on. Yes. What's your go-to weekend plan usually when in Dubai?
I usually play sports, but I think so. Sham ko I hang out in clubs
Okay.
and all. Yeah.
Okay. Your first thought when you shaved off for the surgery?
Yeah, टकला हो गया मैं. So
Who was more nervous before the surgery, you or him?
Me bit because definitely needle है यार.
हाँ.
So,
And you were first also, ना?
yes, yes.
ये
Yes,
एकदम
इसने बोला तू
smart
पहले
है.
आगे जा.
Yeah, of course.
कुछ होएगा तो मेरे को होएगा.
Yeah. One thing you can do with your hair now that you couldn't do before.
I mean, I can style my hair, so.
Whose hairstyle do you admire more? इसको तो पूछ लिया शाहरुख एंड
Yeah.
इसका. I'm asking you शाहिद कपूर और कार्तिक आर्यन में.
कार्तिक
कार्तिक
मेरा तो
आर्यन.
वही आंसर था.
Oh, see, I already read your
Yeah.
mind. Okay, if your hair journey had a Bollywood song तो सोच ही लिया होगा अभी तक. Tell me what is that Bollywood song you relate
ये
to?
वाला. That the song इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता.
हाँ.
ज्यादा प्यार हो जाता. तो so yeah, मैं से
इसमें तेरा घाटा
घाटा,
मेरा कुछ
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं
जाता. That song, yeah,
Yeah.
even I like that song. If you had to describe your brother's spending habits in one word, what would it be? कंजूस है. Charles gonna say that. वही लगा
नहीं
मुझे.
मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है ये करके आते कपड़े वपड़े खरीद के आते मैं वही पहन लेता लाइक व्हाई डू हैव टू गो
हमने साथ में बोला because
Yeah.
I somehow predicted that's what he's going to say. And one nature or habit of his that you love the most and one that annoys you the most.
love the most is like he's like always helpful.
Annoying वाला question avoid कर रहे हैं but
Annoying
बता
है
दो बड़े
कि-
घर जाके मारेगा.
Clean नहीं करता है ये.
Fine.
मुझे करना पड़ता
तो उसके लिए अभी क्लीनर रखा है ना अभी
I think ये कोई भी siblings भी ये होता है
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
एक साफ सफाई रखता है और एक चीजें messy रखता है.
Yes, yes.
हमारे केस में भी है.
हाँ.
मेरी sister और मेरे में भी
Yeah,
है.
Okay, okay.
And the cleaner one,
हाँ, okay.
she is the one who makes mess.
Okay.
So super fun. बहुत
Yeah,
मजा
same
आया.
here.
I actually enjoyed. I didn't realize where the
Yes,
time went.
yeah.
Right.
Right from talking about your career to hair and ये rapid fire तो बहुत ही super
Yes,
fun था.
yeah
Thank you so much for giving
Pleasure.
your time.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah
Super fun and I think ये बहुत valuable भी रहेगा.
yeah
I think entertaining भी हो गया ये
Yes,
by
yes.
yeah
these wonderful answers that you all gave. So all the very best and
yeah
मैं
have
बोलूँ
fun.
नहीं बोलूँ कैमरा में लड़कियां भी पटाए हैं.
Yeah.
All the best for that as well.
शादी करने
Thank you
अगले
so
साल
much.
तक
हाँ,
Yeah.
अलग-अलग लड़कियां
Yeah.
that is also important.
yeah
Just on a lighter note, but thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was a very
Thanks
great
to you also, I
conversation.
mean,
yeah
for
it was a
this.
good conversation
Yeah, I had super fun.
Yeah,
Thank you. Anand.
same here thank
Yeah.
you